How to use your son's Student Planner 1. Designed for elementary level students, we start with weekly tasks. You'll see the day, month, and year. Write your homework for each subject in the colored sections. For electives, use the free space to mark them with their own color. Number your tasks, placing the most difficult one as number 1. Using the legend, mark the materials you'll need for each task. In this section, estimate if your task will take 15, 30, or 45 minutes. Then compare it with the actual time. This will help you improve time management and organization. Teachers can evaluate your behavior as excellent, satisfactory, or needing improvement. And you'll continue this process for the rest of the week. At the end of each line, there is space to write your notes. At the end of the month, your teachers may give you rewards. So remember to behave well and complete your tasks on time. This is how you use your son's Student Planner 1. SUNS, empowering student success.